Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 275. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. If we look at this top row, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 5. 2 here, so 5, 7. 5 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 6. 6 here, so 2, 9. 9 here, so 2, 6. That means the only place our 9 can be in that row is here. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. 4 here, so 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 2, 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 2, 6, and that 2 makes this our 8, 2. And to finish out this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.